Hi everyone, and welcome back to the brewing shed. Today I'm just going to do a very quick video. It's a taste test on Milestones Dash of the Flasher. I actually drank loads of these already. These are the last two bottles that I've got left, so well, I'll do a taste test on it anyway and let you know what we think. Okay, so the first thing that you notice about this particular beer is the aroma. Absolutely wonderful. I've got to say, of all the beers that I've had, this one, the aroma just catches you. It's one of the best aromas I've ever smelled as beers go. So we'll just pour this. Okay, so hopefully then the camera can pick up just how clear that particular beer is. It's cleared amazingly well. Just have a taste test. Very nice. I'm not going to pretend that I can tell the difference as yet between all the different hops and the malts and everything else. I just know what I like, and this I like. That is one of the better beers that I've brewed at home. So that's Milestones Dash of the Flasher. If I could do anything different with this particular brew, it would simply be that I'd done half of the batch into bottles and I did half of the batch into plastic PET bottles. I think with the plastic PET bottles there was just a slight better taste because unfortunately in the glass bottles they have overcarbonated just slightly. But definitely one to do. If you want to try something different and you haven't tried it, would highly recommend this Milestones Dash of the Flasher. Thank you.